Your doctor probably never explained this to you, but there's a hidden reason your blood sugar refuses to come down, no matter how faithfully you take your diabetes medication. Millions of diabetics swallow pills every single day, check their glucose religiously, and still watch the numbers stay stubbornly high. What they don't realize is that their cells may be starving for critical minerals that insulin simply cannot work without. And while the pharmaceutical industry earns billions keeping you dependent on prescriptions, they stay strangely quiet about these dirt-cheap minerals that research shows can dramatically improve blood sugar control. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your pancreas cannot function properly without specific minerals. Insulin production, insulin sensitivity, glucose transport, nerve protection, even heart and kidney health all depend on them. And if you have diabetes, chances are you're deficient right now. High blood sugar literally drains these minerals out of your body through your urine, creating a vicious cycle. Blood sugar spikes after meals, crushing fatigue, tingling in your feet, brain fog. These are not just normal diabetes symptoms. They can be warning signs of mineral depletion. Thousands of diabetics have already seen major improvements simply by restoring these missing nutrients. Some were even able to reduce medication doses under supervision. The science exists. The results are real. Yet this information rarely makes it into a standard doctor's visit. Let's start with the first and most critical mineral, magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, many of them directly tied to glucose metabolism. Nearly half of adults are deficient, and diabetes accelerates that loss. When magnesium levels drop, insulin resistance skyrockets. Cells stop responding to insulin's signal, leaving glucose trapped in the bloodstream. Magnesium glycinate is one of the most absorbable forms, gentle on the stomach and highly effective. When levels are restored, fasting glucose often drops significantly, post-meal spikes calm down, and insulin sensitivity improves. People report fewer muscle cramps, better sleep, calmer nerves, improved focus, and more stable energy. Magnesium also relaxes blood vessels, supporting healthy blood pressure and protecting the heart, which is crucial for anyone with diabetes. The second mineral is chromium picolinate. Chromium is a trace mineral, but its impact is enormous. Modern food processing strips chromium from our diet, and high sugar intake increases chromium loss. Without enough chromium, insulin struggles to bind to its receptors. It's like having a key that no longer fits the lock. Supplementing with chromium picolinate helps reactivate insulin receptors, allowing glucose to move efficiently into cells where it belongs. Studies consistently show improvements in fasting glucose, A1c levels, and post-meal spikes. Chromium also helps control intense sugar cravings, stabilize appetite, and improve lipid profiles, supporting both blood sugar and cardiovascular health. Mineral number 3 is zinc picolinate. Your pancreas stores more zinc than almost any other organ for a reason. Zinc is essential for insulin production, storage, and release. When zinc levels fall, insulin output becomes erratic, wound healing slows, immunity weakens, and blood sugar becomes harder to control. Zinc picolinate is well absorbed and directly supports pancreatic function. Adequate zinc levels are associated with improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, nerve protection, and even eye health. Many diabetics notice more stable glucose readings and fewer unexplained swings once zinc deficiency is corrected. The fourth and final mineral is selenium, specifically in the form of selenomethionine. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting insulin-producing beta cells from oxidative damage. Diabetes creates constant oxidative stress, slowly damaging nerves, kidneys, blood vessels, and the pancreas itself. Selenomethionine is absorbed efficiently and supports enzymes that defend your cells from glucose-related damage. Balanced selenium levels are linked to improved insulin sensitivity, better thyroid function, reduced inflammation, and protection against diabetic complications affecting nerves, kidneys, and the heart. When these four minerals work together, the effect can be profound. Blood sugar becomes easier to manage. Energy returns. Nerve discomfort eases. Cravings lose their grip. And instead of fighting your body with medications alone, you finally give it the raw materials it needs to function properly. This doesn't mean abandoning medical care. It means understanding what your body has been missing all along. If this opened your eyes to a side of diabetes management you were never told about, make sure to stay connected. Share this with someone who's struggling, because the right information at the right time can change everything. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, science-based tips to support your heart and overall health, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video that can help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.